Hey guys, this is GuyHelps, and in this video, I'm just going to show you something that I used ChatGPT to help me create, and just to spark some ideas. I know others probably would make this better using actual programming, but here is my system. So basically, I have a Google Sheet document here that has headings. So this is where I would put the vulnerability and the information for the vulnerability. So for example, in this case, I have the name of the vulnerability, the CVS score, the severity, the URL, the target, impact, right? So if I double click, just copy and paste some text there, details, uh, you know, and then reproduction. I just put some text here, appendix 1, uh, recommendations, and then references. Okay, so this is all going to be used to generate a report. In sheet 2, I just have some basic information for the title page, title of report, author, date of report. Okay, and then here I have the executive summary. So this has a heading here, use of this document. So these top things here are the headings, right? And then I have the information here. So yeah, and then the main thing that I use this for is the appendix. So basically, the appendix number is related to which appendix this is for. So when this appendix is generated, it generates in order from the first column or the first row all the way to the bottom. And then the number here represents which appendix it's related to. So all these rows here are related to appendix 1. Command is just a content type, so it just means that basically it's a command, so this text will be shown highlighted when the report is generated. And then the image URL is the URL of my Dropbox account where I have the images of the screenshots that I've taken. Yeah, so it takes it from my Dropbox account. So you can probably use it with Google Drive, probably. I'm not sure how it works with that, but I have Dropbox on my computer. So all the images that are on my computer are automatically uploaded to Dropbox here. So basically what it will do is it will generate a report. So if I go to extensions, so you have to add an extension or add a script to this Google Sheet, which this Google Sheet already has. So excuse me. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to go to scripts here. So here is the script. Basically, it's the whole program. This was a lot of hours of trial and error with ChatGPT. So how to use it is basically you click on this, you click on Generate Vulnerability Report, and then you click Run, and then it's going to generate a report from all the information here. Okay, so I'm going to click Run. If it's the first time you're doing it, it's going to require review permissions. So I'm going to click Review Permissions, and then I'm going to give permissions. It's going to say it hasn't been reviewed, so just do that. Okay, and then allow. Okay, so now it's executing. So if you have a lot of images or a lot of rows in that appendix part, it's going to take maybe 5 minutes. Let's see how long this takes. So I'm going to pause the video, but it's going to take a while. All right, so it took about, I'd say, 5 minutes. 23, 24, 25, 26, or less than 5 minutes. But the report is generated. So let's open it. So, it's not perfect. You're going to have to go in. So this is a Google Doc. It's a Google Doc. So you're going to have to go in and edit this. And for some reason, it creates a pageless I think it's Google's new Google Doc thing. But all you have to do is go to edit, actually file, I think, or was it edit? File, page setup, and then change it to pages. Okay, and then click OK, and then it should bring you back to pages here. Yeah, and then basically I use this as a base to edit the report. So it creates like the summary of findings table, and then here's the main vulnerabilities. As you can see, here's the column, and then here's the information, and then I haven't added the functionality yet, but in the future I was thinking of like creating links here, but right now I just do it manually. So what you would do is you would go to the appendix here, so you can click this, it goes to this appendix, and then you can copy this link, right, and then just go back up to where your vulnerability is, and then you could what's it called, insert a link. So you go to insert link, and then just paste what you just copied, that bookmark, and then now this will go there. Yeah, and that's basically it. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add the Google App script to the to my GitHub, and then you guys can just copy the source code there. But then you're gonna have to copy the Google document, um, and then remove the information, and then put your information, basically. Yeah.